Okay, I have a very quick video, and my video is right here on my hand. Obviously, it's upside down, right? But 11 o'clock, okay, is 660 minutes. Because 0 equals 6, it becomes 666. But because it's mirrored and upside down, right? There's your 666. It looks like actually 222. And since we run in the 8 heaven, we either have 888, right, on the 11, or we have 1776 is 222 times 8 equals 1776. So what I just want to say right now is something really small, really small, and that is, geez, I just took a picture of myself. You think I'm nuts? Okay. Let me get serious about this. I already used up a minute of your time, but while I use up your time and show you the reality of truth, show you what the truth is in numbers and games people play, what we see, what actually goes through our mind or what's in our mind without us knowing it, that 11 o'clock or 11 hours is 660 minutes, 0 equals 6 becomes 666. Now we're talking, what is number 11? Well, number 23, 2 times 3, 2 plus 3, equals 6 and 5, 11. 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 times 3 is 6. That is your 11. What is the balance of this? 1 times 1, and 1 plus 1 is 1 and 2 is 3. And that is the minimum number of creation. 110, because 1 divided by 1 is 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So we'd have 1, 1, 1, 0. Are there any other basic mathematical calculations that we can take in order to get any other results than what I have just done, other than 1 minus 1 is 0? 0 equals 6. Let's put that on the side. Now what we're going to go get is 1 plus 1, and 1 times 1 is 3. So now we're going to put 3 on the side. 30 is now creation. Inside 0 equals 6, 36. 3 times 6, 3 plus 6 is 27. And that's the creation of the red sun. My blood is moving. The energy and the blue, the globulins of white, and the movement makes me the movement of Luna Una, one mind of the red sun divided by 2 sides coming out in Mars. Demas, Phobos, Luna. Luna brings both of them together. Luna brings out the average. L equals 3. Phobos is P equals 1 and 6 is the half-light. And Demas is D, 0, 4. 4 times 4 equals to the 16. 4 plus 4, flight of the phoenix, is inside the half moon of the half-light of the spirit that runs through one person of the 1.5 lives that I live. Why is everything 200? Because first of all, we are from another star system. And when we come into this system, we run through what they call the divider or the Wi-Fi. Let's call it sci-fi. And inside the sci-fi, in which is streamed, that's right, take a look at what's on Wi-Fi, take a look at what's on your computer, and then take your phone and watch the same musical stream and see how much time the difference is between the 3 of them. You will see there is a difference, therefore they can implicate something else inside of it. So you'll be thinking different as the stream comes down to your only mind. Do you think that you're here? Do you have any mental illness? Any mental disorder? Anything at all? Just you think that the way you think is not proper? It all is. It's because we have had altered current, AM. Altered current, A and M equals 4D. 1 times A and C equals 3 equals MCD. McD. Annuel. Raphael. 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. By the way, I just got back from the doctor's office, and she thought I came in there only to fill out papers for my license. I didn't go there just for my license. I went to see if the medication I was taking that I went for tests was okay. She took the papers and threw them at me saying, How do I know you took the P test and you didn't put somebody in your place? And by the way, last time I saw you, gave you papers for your lithium. Did you go do it? I didn't get any results back. I had 3 papers for my lithium, and because I didn't take her paper and I took it from another doctor, she didn't even ask me the question. Just because she didn't want to sign my papers for my driver's permit, she completely forgot to do the examination. And therefore, I am now taking lithium, okay, without proper doctor diagnosis. Well, I can't actually say that because I myself just saw my doctor 2 months ago or 3 months ago, and I've done 2 lithium tests since then, in which my lithium level is at the amount that it is. And most doctors would say, in fact, one doctor already said to me, you're at 18.18. Why are you even on it? You seem fine to me. Yet this doctor now wants me. You know what this doctor wants me to do? She wants me to go take something called Ergo. And it's a therapy that sees whether or not I have the capabilities of knowing it's a red light or a green light, whether I have to put on my flasher to go left or right, or even be capable of making a decision on my own. I dropped the papers on her desk and asked her to take a look. And before she even took a look, she says, how do I know somebody else didn't take the P test for you? How do I know you didn't fake the doctor's papers? Before she even looked at them, this is what she told me. And I said, Madame, I says, are you calling me a liar? She says, no. I says, you're not calling me a liar, but what I give you, the papers from the Regie, you're telling me that I could have faked the P test and had somebody else go in for me? I said, they gave me it, and I went into the room. They gave me the bottle. Right there and then, why don't you ask them to do a better job and check on me? How does this go on? Anyways, right now, I'm going to need a chauffeur limousine for my car. I'm going to need a pilot for my plane. I'm going to need someone to drive my yacht and take me everywhere I need to go. But right now, if I need to go anywhere, I have to use my own mind. So if my mind has no sanity, then the chauffeur of the car, the chauffeur of the boat, and the pilot of the plane will be going absolutely nowhere because I have no mind to tell them. Raphael, 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for being there. By the way, my cat now knows how to dial phone numbers. Thank you for watching.